Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate functions. Here I am taking two questions. First one is pt is equal to t square minus t. Find p t plus 1. So here in this function, t replace with t plus 1. We substitute here t plus 1. So this is t square. It means t plus 1 whole square minus t value is t plus 1. Here we can use algebraic identity a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here t square plus 2 times t times 1, 2t plus 1 square is 1, and here this minus multiply with this parenthesis, so minus t minus 1. Now we can combine like terms. T square is alone, so we can write as it is. Here 2t and minus t are like terms, we can combine. 2t minus t is t, and plus 1 minus 1 will be 0. So our answer is this one, t square plus t. Now second question, gx is equal to 5 to the power x. Find g minus 3 minus x. So g minus 3 minus x is equal to 5 to the power x, replace with this, so minus 3 minus x. So here we can solve 5 to the power negative, we can take common. Here 3 plus x. Use here exponent property, this is negative power. So when we convert into positive power, we get 5 to the power 3 plus x. So here 1 upon 5 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power x, because here power adding, so we can use here exponent property, and 5 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power x, and 5 to the power 3 is 5 times 5 times 5, 5 times 5 25, and 25 times 5 125. Multiply 5 to the power x. Here we can use this dot for multiplication. So answer is 1 upon 125 times 5 to the power x. This is the answer. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.